Hi children, this is the maths work for Friday the 1st of May. The mental maths starter is I can solve any digit and two-digit numbers. So there is an example, is a demonstration, 7 times 46. You partition the two-digit number, 46 is 14 6. You write out the two questions, 7 times 40 and then 7 times 46. You times the unite and then you times the tens. So 7 times 40 is 280, 7 times 4 is 28, 40, 280, and 7 times 6 is 42. And then you add the answers to find the total. So 280 plus 42 gives you an answer of 332. Look carefully at the sums. Some of them are easy to do in your head without you having to write them out. But for some of you, you might want to partition it. 5 times 21, partition the 21, so it's 5 times 20, and then 5 times 1. 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 1 is 5. And so 100 plus 5 is 105. Easy peasy. And then there is a let's prove it. If you look carefully at this sum, 56 times 8 is 448. Which of these statements is true and which is false? And how can you prove it? So show me in your working out. The main activity is continuing to look at three-dimensional shapes. We're going to sort 3D shapes according to their properties. So the steps to success: understand property vocabulary, words like prism, hemisphere, to link to the shapes that they are. Sort the 3D shapes into Venn diagrams and research other 3D shapes to describe properties. There is a wonderful website for you to use. It's this Maths Frame. So if you just click this link, and there are some visual games for you to put shapes into Venn diagrams. Now Venn diagrams are like this, two circles where you've got titles for this side and titles for that side. So this is flat faces and can roll along the ground. And in the middle is shapes that have flat faces and can roll, so a combination of both statements. And here is just rolling. Here is just flat faces, and in here is shapes that feature both. Any shapes that don't fit any of that criteria go outside of the diagram. So for these four, you've got a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, and a cone. So where would you put those names? Sphere, cube, cylinder, cone. Where would you put them into your Venn diagram? So for the mild practice sheet, there are 2 sides, and then in the hot practice sheet there are 2 sides as well, so see how you can get on with that. The next thing, if you are a little bit stuck, you can follow this. Look at different items of packaging. So look around your kitchen cupboards, recycling bin, and find at least 5 different shape packets. Different cuboids, different cylinders. Choose a shape, write its name and description of its properties on a sticky note and stick on the box. Repeat until all the boxes have descriptions. So look at the different properties of each shape. Remember, and to check your understanding, you've got some questions here. Create a net for a tetrahedron. Fold it up to ensure that it works. Is this the only way to draw a net for a tetrahedron? So this is a little investigation. If you've got time, try and do it. But good luck. Bye.